Kar thieth mar St. Joseph the Worker Dispensary Kangemi nobago tukgi mokwongo mag golf mane obagi e alap ma Vetlab Sports Club County ma Nairobi. Tugono mane oyuayo jotugo maromo 100 kendo owuok e klepe ma pachoka kama oting'o Royal Club, Vetlab kaachiel gi Muthaiga Club Golf Club nitiyo godo mar choko omenda mar medo gero kar thieth mar Joseph the Workers Dispensary. Kar thiethno geno mar choko omenda maromo $22 mar tieko gero od thieth mar orofa 4. Tugono ne okoyuayo mana jotugo kende, kata kembe masiro tuke mag golf bende noyuoro noyuore tugo makamano kama oting'o kambi mar Royal Media Services.
Because most of the people who come to the facility may not have, financial capability to go to big hospitals, we provide the healthcare at affordable rates. And even when we get people who really cannot afford to pay for themselves, we have a way of ensuring that they are not turned away. So it is really important for us as, the board of St. Joseph Worker Dispensary to raise this money. We have this golf tournament. It is the first that we are doing. We have done other fundraisings, but those have been more